Loop reactor, axial flow pumps application for polypropylene and polyethylene units. Huasheng loop reactor axial pump is specifically designed for the loop polymerization processes in PP and PE production. It is engineered to meet the demanding requirements of axial flow pumping for production capacities, ranging from 100,000 to 600,000 tons per year. The pump is suitable for various applications, including polypropylene, polyethylene, high-density polyethylene, linear alpha-olefins, and poly-alpha-olefins. In 2019, Huasheng successfully supplied Basel Process 2 600,000 tons per year polypropylene units belong to China Flexible Packaging Group, marking the world's largest installation of its kind.